And prime comes through. All right, what do we got in the box? There it is. Chamberlain Smart Garage Control. Closed from anywhere, open from anyone, or open for anyone. Get alerts. Okay, we got the base station, I guess. Instructions. Stickers. Connector, whatever that is. All right, so here's the pieces that came in the box. Got some stickers, power cord, mounting brackets, instruction pamphlet, and these two pieces right here. This is interesting right here. Monitor and open and close a second garage door with an additional garage door sensor. There's the SKU. So you do not apparently have to buy a whole nother kit. You just need this sensor. That's cool. Up on either side of the garage door, it doesn't matter, right or left. And it comes with the good 3M stickies to attach it. That was super easy. This thing to this thing. That's it. Then you hit the learn button on your garage door opener. I mean, that's really it. I mean, I thought this would be a nice, big, long video on how this thing works. I can't believe how easy and simple it was to hook up. I mean, the one thing, though, that got me nervous is it did talk about, like, my garage door opener has a purple learn button, and it talked about it may not work with that garage door opener. It worked fine. So there are a couple garage door openers or some garage door openers that it won't work with, so check that out before you buy it. But, man, super easy to use, and the app is great. Thing right there, plugged it in to the garage door opener plug. Piece of cake, and we're done. All right, been using this MyQ Chamberlain. I gotta look, see what it's officially called, but you know what I'm saying. All right, I've been using the MyQ Chamberlain all day, just messing around with it. I'm telling you, this is a must buy for 29 bucks. This thing is killer. Just make sure that your garage door is supported. What I saw is, like, if you're, like I said earlier, different, like on Craftsman, like I had, depends on the color. I had a color purple where they said it may not work, but it worked for me. So I know if your garage door is older than 1993, it won't work. But anyway, must buy. This thing is great. Till next time, go Cheese.